Welcome back, everybody. Today is a day that I am doing some public speaking. It's only my second event that I've ever done public speaking, but I think I got a little bit firmer grasp on how to do it this time. There was a book that was written about my story about myself in the military, specifically in Iraq and later on in my career. So it's always interesting for me to talk about it. I really don't like talking about it, but it's for a good cause. It's all the way up in Everett, so there's two different places that I could potentially stop. One is Snoqualmie Falls and two in downtown Seattle, so we will see how I feel. Let's go. I'm supposed to be there in 12 minutes. I'm stuck in Seattle because of traffic. They decided to close 3 lanes of I-5. Yeah. Oh boy, we'll see how that goes. Traffic will not allow me to get to the speaking event in time. It will be over by the time that I get there. So we are gonna go and try to go do something else. I think there's a waterfall really close to Seattle. I think it's in Renton or whatnot. So I'm gonna go there and check that out. It's really unfortunate that I wasn't able to make this event. There's another event on the 22nd at 10 a.m. and I think it's at UW or something like that. One thing you should always do when going to Seattle is always get a bag of dicks. Yes, a bag of dicks. Great burgers. Good drunk food. I'm not drunk, but anytime I get to Seattle and I have some spare time, I always go there. Okay, so it looks like I'm going to go to Old Man's Trail. There's a cave hole and a mine shaft. I'm really here for the waterfalls, but we're going to see what this brings me to. Oh look, more informational stuff. Nike base history. I don't even know if there's anything in here. So my keen navigation skills has brought me the wrong way, but I found this other trail that's not on the map, so I'm going to follow it. And I think maybe it might bring me the right way. Mine hazard area. Ground collapse and fatal gases. I'm not trying to go that way. I'm not trying to die. Seems like everything I go do, I almost die. Nope, not feeling death right now. So one thing I'm not gonna like is going back up that hill. Anything for the videos, right? Now this is a beautiful part of the trail. These trees. Oh no. I don't even know what you would want to call them, but look at how tree-y they are. I don't even know if that's a word, but how much they branch off without branching out. So this place has a very Point Defiance feel to it. I know it's probably because I'm still in Washington State, Western Washington and all. I do like the hills. The hills will be treacherous going back up, but we'll see. Hopefully my knees can handle it. So it sounds like the falls are coming up. I can hear water running. I think I'm like 0.1 miles away from it. See if I can look down there. Nothing right now, but damn, look at how big this tree used to be. So it's not the falls, it's just a little bit of a creek. Let's keep pushing.
Every night I'm going on the grid, texting back, I want you.
Okay, so I made it out. It's not as raging as what I thought it would be. There's actually a lot of people here. Luckily, everybody cleared out, so I'm able to kind of get this area to myself real quick. It's pretty warm today. I think it's like higher 70s, but I'm gonna try to come down here maybe after a rainstorm or something.
Where you at now? Where you at? Where you at? Where you at now? Found myself in between the lines, underneath your bed sheets. It started fun, but now I'm in too deep into this flow. A zero-sum game that I will lose. There's no zipping past it. Every time you walk away from me, I want you. How could I want you more? Or when did I lose my perspective? Oh God, have I lost it? But my cravings for you so shameless, can't get enough. Where you at? Where you at? Where you at now? Where you at? An outcast from pillar to post. There's no denial, I'm chasing ghosts.
Okay, so that does it for this episode. We are going to see what I could get into next week. Tomorrow I'm going out on a boat, so I might just make a mini vlog about that tomorrow. So, thank you guys for watching. Tell me what you thought about this hike down below. Thanks, bye.
Where you at now? Where you at now? I keep on looking for you, looking for you. Where you at? Where you at now? Where you at now? I keep on looking for you. Where you at?